Alberta Capital Airshed is a non-profit, multi-stakeholder organization dedicated to monitoring, collecting, and sharing air quality information to support informed decision-making. Air Aware is our wildfire smoke and health workshop, designed to turn complex public health information into practical, real-world action. It helps individuals and organizations better understand how wildfire smoke affects health and what they can do to reduce those impacts. This workshop goes beyond general messaging. It's discussion-based, engaging, and tailored to specific audiences. By identifying real barriers faced by at-risk groups, Air Aware focuses on strategies that are realistic, relevant, and easy to apply, helping build resilience during smoke events. We break down complex information into simple, clear language to build understanding, trust, and connection. Air Aware is highly interactive and customizable for a range of audiences, including those working with seniors, outdoor event organizers, childcare providers, and people with pre-existing health conditions. Overall, this workshop helps to build resiliency, empower informed decision-making, and drive meaningful action.